guys, your girl Ify Oyoyondoki, and you're welcome to another episode of Oyoyondoki's Kitchen. So today I'll be making this delicious carrot and orange juice with lemon and ginger. This will help improve your skin for a brighter skin and also help prevent constipation. So stay tuned to find out how we make this delicious drink. For our delicious carrot and orange juice, we'll be using carrot, of course, and some oranges with 1 lemon and some ginger. Yeah, so let's get to it. All right, we're going to start off by peeling off our oranges, and I have Caracara orange. I forgot to mention that. So the red orange, I pray this one is sweet. Like that. If you don't want to peel it off, you can as well squeeze out the oranges. So we're going to repeat this for the rest of the oranges. So guys, for our ginger, we are going to peel off the skin. I had to cut it in because this one is a little large, so it will be easier for me. So you peel off the skin and get it all cleaned up before we blend. All right, so we are ready for our carrot and orange juice, and we are gonna get started. All right, so we're gonna get it into our juice jar. So inviting. I'm gonna load up this ones as well. All right, so now we're going to get the oranges. Yeah, like I said before, if you want to squeeze out your orange, yeah, you can go ahead. All right, so we're going to now juice our oranges. So the orange is going to like turn down the color of the carrot. So we're gonna repeat that. Alright, so guys, our carrot and orange with ginger is ready. Now I'm going to add some lemon. This is more than half of it, so I'm just going to squeeze it in. Alright, great. All right, so now I'm going to make sure I stir it nicely to combine, and we're going to get it into the glass. Oh yeah, the part I love so much, guys. Oh, we do thank you all for watching my video today, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, Don't forget to subscribe and give your girl some thumbs up. And please, please, please share our videos, please. So guys, our drinks, you can see they are ready. If you're on the go, you can just grab this one, drink one in the morning, one in the evening, or any time of the day you feel like taking some natural juice without sugar. This is a healthy recipe, and trust me, if you're having constipation, it's going to help you a great deal. I do thank you all for watching my video. If you have watched up onto this part, I thank you, thank you, thank you. You are amazing. God bless you, and you stay well and be well.